Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used this little Miss Claus So Spoiled BH Cosmetics palette. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. I think it is so stinking cute. When I actually got this palette, I went to Ulta because I wanted to get the big Miss Claus palette, but they were already sold out, so I didn't get to get that. This one, I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. It does have little like snowflakes and diamonds and money signs that are raised up, so it's actually really cute. It does say Santa's daughter here to slay, so I think that that's super cute. Yesterday I filmed this whole look, and then when I sat down to edit it, I had forgotten to close the blinds that are right next to me, so everything was so overexposed that I had to scrap it and just completely redo it today. So that's where we're at. So for my lips, I did use the tattoo lip stain that I got off of Amazon along with this NYX butter gloss. It is in the shade Ginger Snap. I just thought it would be super cute to pair it together. I will touch base really quick. This little Grande Lash mascara has not transferred. I've worn it about 4 times now. Haven't had any issues with it, so I'm super excited, and I hope it makes my eyelashes even longer since I use the serum as well. So yeah, still think it looks super inappropriate, but we'll just move on from that. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. What do you think? Do you think you're gonna go and see if you can pick up this palette? I think it was $14 at Ulta, so it's not crazy expensive. The pans are kind of little, but these shades are so pretty. The shimmers are so pretty. I kind of want to do something with this gold and then this like red burgundy color next. I think it'd be super cute. So yeah, I'm happy I have this little palette. So I'm super excited. I do have a friend that's keeping an eye out. He works at Ulta. As soon as the big Miss Claus palettes come in, he's gonna text me so I can run up there and grab one. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. I am really tired today. I woke up super early to get this film so that I could get it done before my daughter takes over the household today. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe so you can see future videos I'll be posting 2 to 3 times a week here on my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.